Hey there, food enthusiasts and kitchen maestros. Today, we're thrilled to bring you an exciting innovation that's about to revolutionize your cooking experience. Introducing the brand new Philips 3000 Series Dual Basket Airfryer. This game-changing appliance is making waves across Europe, and we've got the exclusive first look just for you. Imagine a world where you can cook your entire meal in one go, with each component perfectly cooked to perfection. The Philips 3000 Series Dual Basket Airfryer makes this a reality with its innovative design featuring two separate baskets. Whether you're whipping up a delicious main course or crafting delectable sides, this airfryer has got you covered. With a generous 9-liter capacity, the Philips 3000 Series Dual Basket Airfryer can handle up to 1.5 kilograms of food. That's enough space for a whole chicken or a large serving of veggies, making it perfect for family dinners or meal prepping for the week. And thanks to Philips' rapid air technology, your food will come out evenly cooked, crispy on the outside, and tender on the inside. The intuitive touchscreen offers 8 preset cooking modes for all your favorites, from fries and veggies to cakes and more. Plus, with smart features like synchronized finish times and the ability to copy settings from one basket to the other, you can ensure your entire meal is ready at the same time without any guesswork. But that's not all. The Philips 3000 Series Dual Basket Airfryer comes with the NutriU app, your ultimate companion for culinary creativity. Discover countless recipes specially designed for this airfryer and take your cooking skills to new heights. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, the NutriU app has something for everyone. Cleanup is a breeze too, with dishwasher-safe baskets and included accessories like a grill rack and pan. The Philips 3000 Series Dual Basket Airfryer is designed to make your life easier, from start to finish. All of this can be yours for just €249.99. While the exact launch date is still under wraps, you can be sure it's worth the wait. So get ready to elevate your cooking game with the Philips 3000 Series Dual Basket Airfryer. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this sneak peek into the Philips 3000 Series Dual Basket Airfryer, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and reviews. Leave a comment below and let us know what you can't wait to cook with this amazing airfryer. Until next time, happy cooking!